This is Notion, except I own it. No subscription, no data lock-in. It runs on a server I control. Notion's great until you hit the paywall or realize your entire second brain lives on someone else's cloud. Price hikes, data lock-in, zero option to self-host. If Notion ever goes down or changes its terms, your nodes go with it. Enter AFFiNE. Open source local first, and it merges docs and whiteboards into one canvas. Rich text, databases, Kanban boards, mind maps, all in the same app, all in the same file. And unlike Notion, you can run the entire thing yourself. Here's how I'm hosting mine on a Hostinger KVM2 VPS, AMD ePOX processors, NVMe storage, and a Docker manager that turns a self-hosted app into a few clicks instead of a full afternoon of server admin. This is the same VPS tier that'll run AFFiNE smooth for a small team or just yourself. Alright, step 1, head over to Hostinger's VPS page and scroll down to the plans. We're going with KVM 2 cores, 8 gigs of RAM, and 100 gigs of NVMe storage. Click Choose Plan. In the cart, pick your billing period. I'm doing 24 months for the best price. Choose a server location close to you and select Ubuntu as the operating system. Got a coupon? Drop it in here. Now create your Hostinger account. Easiest way, just sign in with Google. One click, then complete the payment. Once you're in, this is hPanel, your VPS dashboard. Open Docker Manager. Head to the Catalog tab and search for AFFiNE. There it is. Click it and hit Deploy. That's it. No config files, no terminal. Hostinger writes the Docker Compose for you. You'll see the deployment kickoff in the corner. This takes about a minute, so let it run. I'm speeding this part up for you. And we are deployed 4 containers all running. That's the AFFiNE app, the Postgres database, Redis, and the migration job. Now click Open to launch your instance. First thing it asks for is an admin account. Set your name, your email, and a strong password. I've blurred mine for obvious reasons. Hit Continue. And there it is, your own AFFiNE workspace. Live on your own server. Nobody else's cloud, no subscription. This is yours. Let's look inside. This is the default workspace, rich text, checklist, tables, all supported out of the box. Docs are organized here on the left, folders, tags, and a dedicated journals view. If you want a daily note habit like Notion's calendar view, but here's the feature that actually sets AFFiNE apart, edgeless mode. Same document, but now it's an infinite whiteboard, sticky notes, mind maps, Kanban boards all on one canvas, and it's still the same doc underneath. Notion doesn't do this. Most tools that do this aren't real document editors. Tag docs, drop them into folders, link between them with an @ mention. It's the organizational depth of Notion without the vendor lock-in. That's a fully self-hosted Notion alternative running on hardware I control for less than the price of 1 month of Notion's paid plan, spread across 2 years of hosting. Link to the exact Hostinger plan I used is in the description, along with a coupon if you want to try it yourself. If you self-host AFFiNE, let me know how it goes in the comments. Subscribe if you want more of this. See you in the next one.